Alright, so we clicked our automatically spin text with content boss, and now we got these purple boxes. And so if you just highlight or you go over where these boxes are, you click, and it gives you the different spin options that they're going to do for you. And now you want to make sure that these make sense, so let's go through each one. How art as a spare time, interest, or profession wounds you. Now that isn't going to work, and you can just tell by wounding that doesn't have to do with art, and that's just kind of negative, and you don't want to use that. But spare time interest, that just doesn't go for a title either. So you don't want it. It doesn't make sense. You want to hit this X over here to delete it out of the options. And now here's our original one, how art as a hobby or profession. Again, it says wounds you, but we'll change that next. So that's good. We want to keep hobby. And pastime, how art as a pastime or profession wounds you. That probably won't work as a title either, so we're just going to get rid of that too. And so once you're done with that word, you're going to hit next spin right here, and then it will come to wounds here again. And how art as a hobby or profession wounds you, that's not going to work. That just doesn't make sense, and we don't want to say wound in our title. Injures you, same thing. We don't want anyone thinking they're going to get injured or hurt or anything. And for this, we're just going to have to go with our original hurts you for now. So you go to the next spin, and you keep doing this for each word that it highlights. And by doing this, you're going to have 3 spun articles that you're going to be able to submit for posting. So this will probably take the longest amount of time, but it's very important to make sure that each and every one of these spun words makes sense. So you're going to do what I just did, go through each one and make sure they all work. So I'll do another one. This question has been a topic. This query has been a topic. That would work, I would say. Then they have question again for some reason, so that's fine. So those are all good. So then you just go to your next spin. A topic, that's good. That was the original one. And then a subject, that's also good. That works. This question has been a subject of argument. See how that makes sense? So you go to your next spin, and this is argument, which was our original one, which works. And then debate, that's also good. And discussion, that would also work. You just got to read the sentence each time and see if it makes sense. So you just keep going to your next word and keep doing what I've been doing until you get to the end. And if you're still above 30% over here, you're done. So I'll tell you what to do after that.